Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common car issue: a broken speedometer. I'm out cruising, or at least attempting to, and I feel like I'm moving. But camera focuses on the speedometer, needle at 0. Yep, the speedometer is stuck. It's like the car is saying, no speed for you. This is frustrating because you're driving blind. No idea how fast you're going means potential speeding, tickets and safety concerns. But, often, this is an easy fix. We'll diagnose the problem and hopefully revive this speedometer. What causes this? One common culprit, especially in older cars, is a broken speedometer cable. Modern cars use electronic sensors, but many older vehicles still use a mechanical cable connecting the transmission to the speedometer. This cable spins, driving the needle. Camera shows the engine bay or underside first. We check the cable. It connects to the back of the speedometer and the transmission. Consult your owner's manual if needed. The host gets under the car, or shows a close-up of the cable. Look for damaged kinks, bends, breaks. Even if it looks okay, it could be broken internally. The host unscrews the cable from the transmission. Okay, disconnected. Let's look. The host holds up the cable. Aha! The cable is snapped here. That's why my speedometer isn't working. It transmits movement from the transmission to the speedometer. Broken. No movement, no speed. Sometimes, it's just disconnected. Check that it's securely connected. Reconnect it, and you're done. But in my case, it's broken. The host shows how to replace the cable. Replacing it is usually simple. Get a new cable from an auto parts store, the right one for your car. Unscrew the old cable, remove it, and install the new one. Route the new cable the same way. Secure it properly. The host reinstalls the new cable and shows the speedometer working alright. Cable replaced. Let's see. The host starts the car. Speedometer. Needle moves. Yes, we're back in business. Problem solved. Concluding remarks: that's how to check and fix a broken speedometer cable. I hope this was helpful. A working speedometer is crucial. It's often an easy DIY fix. If unsure, see a mechanic. Like and subscribe for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.